Hello and welcome to 2-Minute Tech Talks with Fender, a series where you can take 2 minutes out of your day to learn all about a Fender product. Today's video is about the 7F series filter fans. The 7F series provide forced ventilation to prevent excessive internal cabinet temperatures. Free airflow is in 7 ranges, up to 630 meter cube per hour. And of course, flow is slightly reduced when the fan is used with a matching 7F exhaust filter. All flow rates are available as both 120 and 230 volt AC variants, with 24 volt DC models for flow rates up to 250 meter cube per hour. Every 7F model has a long life ball bearing motor, minimum enclosure intrusion, and creates very little acoustic noise. Quick tool-free replacement of the high-performance G3 rated filter mats is possible, and their progressive construction gives long filter life, so airflow need not be compromised even in the dustiest environment. And talking of no compromises, with safety in mind, the filter mats have a DIN F1 fire rating and other plastics comply with UL 94V0. The standard fans blow air into the enclosure, which is positive pressure, but should a forced exhaust be required, reverse flow versions are available. If you would like to find out more information about the 7F series, please give us a call on 01785 818 100 or email us at finder.uk@findernet.com. That's it for today's video. Join us next time on 2-Minute Tech Talks to learn all about another Fender product. Bye!